Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to create engaging text animations in Webflow to make your website stand out. Let's jump right in. Open your project and select the text element you want to animate. Go to Interactions panel and click the plus sign to add a new interaction. Choose Unload as the trigger if you want the animation to happen when the page loads. Add an animation like text type or fade in. For a typewriter effect, you can animate the opacity and move of individual letters using the split text option. Adjust the timing, duration, and easing to get the desired effect. Preview your animation by clicking the preview button at the top. Once satisfied, publish your site to see the animation live. And that's a quick way to add text animation in Webflow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more Webflow tips. Links are in the description.